Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be decorating the living room, dining room, and the cove or entryway going into my bedroom for Christmas. And I'm just starting out right now putting this sofa cover back on the sofa. I washed it in the washing machine on gentle cycle. I had a little stain on it and a lot of glitter from me decorating the Christmas tree. And most times I'll just spot clean the area, but it was time for a good washing in the wash machine. And that's why I love these types of sofas that are not connected to the sofa. They have the pillows, so it makes it easy to clean or wash. And this is what I call a kid-friendly sofa, something you can take the pillow covers off, throw it in the wash machine, and put it back on, and the stains are gone. And if you don't already know, I'll share the link of the video of me decorating my Christmas tree. But my theme this year is Crown Glory. So I'll add a few crowns here and there throughout the space just to keep my theme going, as well as incorporate my decor pieces into the bookshelf as well. I purchased these 3 birds from Home Goods. 2 of them are broken, so I left the tags on them because I have plans to try to find a replacement for them. And I'm going to also add a little bit more to the other shelves to bring in that Crown Glory theme. So of course, we're going to have our cross, some crowns on this particular shelf. I ended up changing this particular row later on in the video. I felt like it was a little too crowded, but hey, it's Christmas. We can do a little bit of extra during this season, but I don't want to go overboard. I just want it to flow really nicely. And these ornaments I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Just one set this year and the other set last year. And I'm just going to add a few of the ornaments into the tray, and along with some pine cones that I purchased several years ago. I always love to bring these beautiful gold pine cones back out. And later on in the video, I did move the smaller tray out of the living room and added 3 crowns to this coffee table. So the burnt orange or copper looking pillows I'm going to use in the living room were made by me last year. Yes, I did break out my sewing machine and made these pillows. I do love to sew, but I don't have time for it anymore. And these white or cream color pillows, I've already had them. I purchased them earlier in the year from Overstock. I do have a link for those. And this Christmas pillow is perfect for the look I'm going for. I got it from Home Goods.
hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Happy holidays and have a great day.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah.